Well, the case was about challenging the seat of the members of the State House of Assembly, led by the Honorable Speaker, Right Honorable Martins Chike Amehule. The claimant has sought the relief of the court to declare their seats vacant. And of course, with what happened in court today, it's quite obvious they are unable to prove that indeed they have defected from PDP and has joined the APC. It's an issue of hard facts and of course the law. You don't just imagine defection and assume that it has occurred. It's something that must be predicated in law, and of course you must be seen to have proved that. Well, for the fact that there are similar matters in other courts, I may not be able to go further into this so that professionally I won't be seen to be overstepping my bound. But for the purposes of what has happened or the decision in the matter, at the instant matter, the justice is well served and quite predicated in law. That's exactly what has happened today. Yes, I'm sure that some of you or most of you are in court. The court clearly stated that Right Honorable Martins Chike Amehule remains the Speaker of the State House of Assembly, as well as other members are quiet and remain members of the State House of Assembly, and their laws, the laws that are passed are legitimate, and the state government is bound to obey the laws passed by these honorable members. That's exactly what the court said this morning. Well, I'm sure that you heard the court. A lawyer from the PDP came and said that they remain members of the PDP. As far as their record is concerned, they have not left the party. They are still members of PDP. They have not defected from PDP. I see that.
Mic check, 1, 2, 3. Confirm, mic check.